Welcome to Solomon Exam Prep. This video will show you the various features available in your online exam simulator. Once you've logged in and navigated to the series of your choice, click the simulator icon to enter the exam simulator testing environment. Scrolling down, you will see that this page displays all of the various exams available to you. The subchapter or topical exams are typically available near the top, whereas the full exams, which were designed to closely mimic the official testing environment, are located at the bottom. To start an exam, simply choose one of the exams from the list and click the link. Once you have reviewed the exam parameters and selected whether you would like instant feedback or not, click Start Test. After reading the question, you can answer by clicking the correct answer or pressing the corresponding letter on your keyboard. If you selected to show answer feedback, the system will instantly show you if you got the question correct or not. It will also reveal the explanation. This page comes with several options you can configure to your liking. A calculator, which you can drag anywhere on the page, an audio toggle button, which will start the narrator reading the text, and an on-off toggle for the page sound effects. After answering the question, if you're ready to continue, click Next to move through the exam. Once you reach the end of the exam, you will be asked to submit your exam. This will bring you to the exam details page where you can see how you scored. Clicking All will let you walk back through the exam attempts, and clicking Incorrect will show you only the questions you got incorrect. Single will show you the review questions one at a time, while List will display all of the questions in one page, and Grid will let you jump to whichever question you want to see. Optionally, if you select not to have answer feedback on when you start your exam, the system will allow you to flag questions for later review. Click the Flag button at the bottom to save the question for review. When you reach the end of the exam, you will be offered a Final Review button, which will allow you to see which questions you flagged and easily navigate between them. Correct your answers if needed, and then submit your exam. Exams taken without answer feedback on will show the flagged tab on the review screen, so you can easily go back and review those questions. Once you have taken an exam, the exam results link will be displayed in your dashboard and inside the exam list page. The exam results links take you to the series overview pages, while the results link will display only the statistics for that particular section. Clicking the exam results link will show you an overall score history. From this page, you can click in to see more details on a specific topic or scroll down for a visual representation of your recent averages. The top polar chart will show you averages from your last 3 attempts per topic quiz. Once you have taken some full exams, the bottom polar chart will appear to show recent averages from those exams. The detailed exam breakdowns can be seen below. If you would like to review an entire history of your exams and answers, those can be found by clicking the All Series Incorrect button. Expanding the desired exam will show you all of your answers. You have quick access to any of your stats by using the View Results drop-down. Interactive Review is a feature that allows you to generate practice tests based solely on questions you've missed. If a quiz or exam contains enough missed questions, you can access that by clicking the arrow next to the desired section, or the Interactive Review button inside your quiz results. The Interactive Review is untimed, ungraded, and you will receive immediate feedback on your answers. Simply select the number of questions and click Start Exam. Clicking the details for any topic quiz will show you your history for that topic. If you have a question about a particular exam question or concept during your studies, use the Ask the Professor feature. Solomon Exam Prep will typically respond to your message within 1 business day. The exam simulator is an essential tool for studying securities licensing materials. Solomon Exam Prep hopes this tutorial will help you better utilize the exam simulator tool inside your dashboard.